And another thing. Something else I was seeing that I just realized I'm looking at my handy dandy note here. Something I saw. All right. So yes, 3.8 is larger than a whole number and 3/8 is not. But what if I did this? 3/8 as a fraction. 0.38. Done. No. I mean, no. Just no. In this one particular instance, sort of if you're rounding, because this is, as I did in the last video, 3, 7, 5. And if I was to round it to the nearest hundredth, yes, it would be 0.38. Lucky one. If you put 0.38 on your homework, you still got it wrong. However, take, for example, this fraction. 5/16. If I did that trick with this fraction, 0.516, I have a lovely decimal. It's less than 1, so is my fraction. Yes! No. Let's look at 5/16. So 16ths are twice as big, small as 8ths, so let's build 8ths. Draw 8ths, 16ths. I want 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And one thing you'll notice is that 5/16 is less than 1/2. We know that half of 16 is 8, so 8/16 equals 1/2. And 5/16 is less than 8/16. We can all agree on that, right? She agrees. She says she would rather have 8/16 of a can of food than 5/16 of a can of food. Ow. So let's look at our decimal here. 0.516. If I covered up the 1/6, I'd have 0.5. As we know, that is 1/2. And 0.516 is greater than 0.5. Is greater than 0.5 because it's got a little bit more. So this decimal here is bigger than 1/2. This fraction we've just discussed is less than 1/2. So although it almost sort of not really works on 3/8, that's like the only one. So don't do that. What is 5/16 as a decimal? Let me look. Okay, 5/16. Gotta make sure your calculator's clear before you start punching in numbers. 0.3125. 0.3125, which is nowhere near 0.516.